So, hello, my name is Ethan. I have an original trick for you called the Phantom GT. It looks like this. So, how you do it is you go into a man on the flying trapeze and his brother mount in any way you want. Then, you're going to pop the yo-yo up behind this string connected to your middle finger on your throw hand, so that the yo-yo will go around. And then, from there, you're going to want to land on the string that the yo-yo is resting on right now. So, basically there. And then you want to let go of the string that's on your first finger on your throw hand. And then you're in a green triangle. Pop out the front, and then bind. So, a quick tip. What you want to do, if you're having trouble landing, and you find yourself landing on both strings, what you can do is to grab the string connected to your throw hand middle finger and just hug it with your bottom three fingers, just like this, and then go into the brother mount. And this will create much more separation, and so you'll be able to land the trick. Also, you'll want to sort of exaggerate the dropping motion. You don't want to do it very quickly, or else you're going to be less accurate. And so, you'll want to exaggerate the dropping motion so that you have more time to react. Anyways, that is the Phantom GT. My name's Ethan, and subscribe, like, comment, share to someone who likes yo-yo, and I'll see you soon.